So, weekly, magbibigay ka kada container na re-release mo, napaparating mo.
Is it per container or per value of what is inside the container?
Per container.
Per container.
Opo.
How much per container?
Iba-iba po kasi. So, iba-ibang
Iba-iba depending on?
iba-ibang departamento. So, nakalagay po dito yun. May mga text messages po ako. Mga
Yes,
screenshots.
you
Oo.
mentioned a lot of offices. Can you please enlighten us on this? Anong mga opisina kailangang magbigay? Tama ba yung tanong ko, Mark?
Opo.
And
So-
that is what Tara System is all about?
Yes, Your Honor. So,
What offices are you referring to here?
So, tinitignan ko po